How to send long videos on Reddit. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Reddit imposes specific limitations on video uploads. Files must be in MP4 or MOV format and should not exceed 1 GB in size and be no longer than 15 minutes. Consequently, directly uploading longer videos is not feasible. However, you can share extended videos on Reddit by utilizing external hosting services and then posting the link. Here's how. Upload to a video hosting platform. Platforms like YouTube or Vimeo allow you to upload lengthy videos. After uploading, you will receive a shareable link to your content. Share the link on Reddit. Next, navigate to the desired subreddit and create a new post. Now, instead of uploading the video, paste the link to your externally hosted video. This method directs Reddit users to view your content on the hosting platform. By employing this approach, you can effectively share longer videos with the Reddit community without being constrained by Reddit's upload limitations. So this is how you can send long videos on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.